HeadONE has a 3/8-inch screw on top, which is shipped parked in. It can be taken out by simply pressing and rotating the screw till it pops out. To avoid any damage to the bag, we recommend parking the top screw in by pushing and turning it before placing the HeadONE into the bag. HeadONE has a 3/8-inch connection hole underneath it. A 3/8 to 1/4-inch reducer bushing is already inserted in this hole, and it can be taken out with the help of a screwdriver or a coin. The interfaces found on the sides of HeadONE are, respectively, battery slot, time-lapse trigger port, expansion port, lock button, vertical connection holes, and gear play tightness adjustment. HeadONE setup. The lock button on the HeadONE is important. When you press this button and slide the latch inside to the side, the HeadONE locks. This allows you to easily screw the HeadONE onto your tripod or onto a slider by turning it. When HeadONE is locked, it cannot move. Therefore, when it's time for normal use, you need to unlock it. You will need to lock it again when moving the HeadONE to a new location or when disassembling it. Tilt module setup. The tilt module consists of two parts, the vertical mounting piece and the L bracket piece. The vertical mounting piece can be attached to any tripod, slider, or to a second HeadONE. By screwing the vertical mounting piece into the connection hole on the side of the HeadONE, you can mount the HeadONE vertically. Now you can attach the L bracket onto HeadONE by simply tightening the thumb screw. Lastly, you can attach your camera onto the L bracket by using the thumb screw on it. After completing the setup, check that the lock on HeadONE is open, and then check if the camera stays still without tipping over when you leave it horizontally. If it drops to the front or back, adjust the position of your camera on L bracket by loosening, positioning, and tightening it. After you complete the horizontal balance setup, tilt your camera fully up and check if it stays in balance when you leave it in this position. If it does not stay balanced, adjust the position of your L bracket on HeadONE by loosening, positioning, and tightening it. Once you complete the horizontal and vertical balancing, your HeadONE setup is ready to use. You can also use the L bracket to easily shoot vertical videos. Just rotate your camera vertically while it is still attached to the L bracket. Then check the balance of the camera again. Connecting to the Edelkrone app. To connect and control your HeadONE from the Edelkrone app, start the Edelkrone app from any iOS or Android device while the HeadONE is powered on and near your device. The app will automatically detect the HeadONE setup, and you can select and connect to them instantly. To learn more about how to use the Edelkrone app, please check the Edelkrone app user manual videos.